Hey guys, my name is Ching. Today I will talk about 1. They do 3 thick things. True. Is this the thing? Yes, this is the thing. 3. Father, mother, sister, brother, hand in hand with one another. 4. I thought a thought. But the thought I thought wasn't the thought I thought. 5. Teeth. Healthy teeth. Healthy teeth is a mouth. Healthy teeth. This thing is a mouth. The snake. 1. I want to bath after dinner. True. It wasn't the fault of Zuri. 3. Both of them came. 4. So it is studying math and English. 5. Her teeth are very white. 6. The path over the mountain is hard. 7. The path through the wood is easy. 8. We both think you should go. Nice. They both thank you. 10. He left both things at home. Bye bye.